I have wasted most of my life playing games that I knew I'd lose. Let me sing to you, just sit here, don't move. I just wanna waste my time with you. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blazer Plays Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe and let me know of any other song requests that you have in the comment section. Okay, so this is how to play Waste My Time by Saint, I don't know how to say the last name, Asonia. I had never heard this song, never heard of it, never heard of the band or anything. I do love this song. But this is a song that was requested, so if you have requests, please let me know. So when I play with this guitar, it means it's a half step down, although I have been using a capo to make it in standard. But this song is tuned a half step down, and there's no capo or anything like that. So yeah. So the way that I do it is I have multiple guitars, and I just have one always tuned a half step down, and the other one I just keep in standard tuning. Now, a simple way to do it is to just, if you only have one guitar, you can just keep it always tuned a half step down, and just put a capo on the first fret. Then when you want to play it a half step down, just take the capo off. But anyway, there's multiple ways to do that. If you play it with it in regular tuning and standard tuning, it'll sound a little bit different, but it's not going to be super significant, so you can do that. So the only chords you're going to use for this song, and stick with me by the way through it, because I'm going to show you the chords you're going to use, where you use them, the strumming pattern, and then the chord progressions, which is different in the bridge. So stick with me through the end of the video. Okay, so you're going to use 4 chords for this song. Super easy: G, E minor, C, D. Those are the only chords you use. Okay, so here's the strumming pattern, okay? And this is a strumming pattern for the whole song. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, okay? So it's just a super simple down, and then just a little bit of a break, of a pause. Down, down, up, down, up, down, okay? And then that pause again. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so that's how that goes. Super simple. Basically, the only difference too in the intro versus like the verse and the chorus and the strumming is going to be how loud you're doing it. So for the intro, do it a little bit louder. Okay. And then when you get to the chorus, the verses, you're going to play the verses softer. So I would do, hold on to me like we were the only ones that see sky above us falling down. So we'll play it softer for the verses and then louder for the chorus, okay? Now, so the way the chord progression goes is it goes in the intro, it's G, E minor, C, D, G, okay? When you get to the verse, you're going to stay on G and do hold on to me. So me is E minor, which is just me transposed. Me, like we're the only ones. So only ones is D. Only ones that see the sky. So the sky is C. The sky above us. So us is D. Us falling down. Down is G, all right? Down. Breathe in my ear. So ear is E minor. Ear, like we're the only ones. So only ones is C. Only ones that hear the mountains. So the mountains is D. Mountains crashing down. Okay, so the chorus, now you're going to play a little bit louder, but it's I have wasted most. So most is E minor. I think the chorus feels like it's a little bit faster, like you change chords a little bit faster, but I could be wrong on that. But so most is E minor. Most of my life. So life is D. Life playing games. So games is C. Games that so I is D. I knew I'd lose. So lose is G. So what you're doing for the chorus is G, E minor, D, C, D, G. And then you stay on G, okay? So you're doing lose and stay on it. Let me sing to you. Just sit. So sit is E minor. Sit here, don't move. Okay, move is D. Move, I just wanna waste. So waste is C. Waste some time. So time is D. time with you. U is G. And then you're just going to play the intro again. So it's just that G, E minor, C, D, G. Okay? Now the second verse is the same as the first one. The second chorus is the same. And then the bridge, this is where it's different. Okay? So you're going to do E minor. So forcing back the tears. Okay? So you do E minor for that, and then D. Over all the years. Boarding. So boarding is C. Boarding up the doors and throwing my hope to the floor. So floor is E minor. Floor. Oh, sorry, my hope is D, my hope to the floor. And then floor is E minor. Floor. I could not forget. So after forget, you do forget. And now it all makes sense. And then C, that you're here with me, and I never want to leave. So when you do this last chorus, you're going to play it softer. And so you could do single strums for the first half of it, or you could even just play the bottom 3 strings here. Okay? So G, B, little E. I would have wasted most. So then you do the same thing here. E minor. Most of my life, never even knowing you. It's just different lyrics. Now you sing to me, and I still don't believe that you want to waste some time with me. And then you get louder here, okay? And then the song just ends on the G. That you want to waste your time with me. Anyway, that's how I play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. See me next time.